Hey, it's Jim. It's Wednesday. I think it's December 4th. It's friggin' cold out here today. We've got a bit of a wind blowing, but got a 261. It's the older one. Just finished doing it up. Dual port on it. It's not super crazy build, but she definitely seems to rip. So we'll give you a look at it. Finger came off the trigger there. Old guy's been in here and took any of the good stuff and then kind of pushed a bunch of this up, so it's kind of a miserable spot now. But anyway, hopefully that worked out.